G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a great property, Lot 1, Number 3 in Heran Court. We're in the popular seaside suburb of Urangan, only minutes away from the Urangan shopping centre, the boat club, marina and iconic Urangan pier. Let's go and take a look around. This generous yet refined detached duplex home has been fully refurbished and is truly a statement of classic design and style. The home has been designed to allow for seamless space transitions with an open plan living and dining area, which does include the new stylish kitchen with quality appliances. Indulge more than your taste sensations and let your eyes take in the proportion, layout and convenience here. The oversized bench takes centre stage and will be ideal for everyday enjoyment and those special occasional events. The neutral colour tones throughout add to the open and connected spaces and allow light and air to naturally fill this home. There are 3 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The main bedroom also includes a new lavish ensuite. The bathroom includes a large bath with overhead shower plus vanity and toilet. The laundry includes a spacious bench and linen cupboard. You will enjoy the lifestyle that comes with Hervey Bay's year-round temperate subtropical climate from the expansive al fresco outdoor entertaining area which overlooks the private courtyard to the rear. Car accommodation is via a drive-through carport which also offers access to the backyard. The owners are not testing the market and have already committed to their next property. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.